Here's a detailed cybersecurity course that you can use for online training. It covers beginner to advanced levels and includes practical hands-on exercises. Comprehensive Cybersecurity Course, duration 8 to 12 weeks. Mode online, self-paced or instructor-led, level beginner to advanced. Who should join? IT professionals, students, and business owners. Ethical hackers and penetration testers. Anyone interested in cybersecurity. Module 1. Introduction to Cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Importance of cybersecurity in the digital age. Types of cyber threats like malware, phishing, ransomware, DDoS, and more. Cybersecurity career paths. Hands-on identify common cyber threats in real-world examples. Module 2. Cyber threats and attack techniques. Types of cyber attacks and real-world case studies. Social engineering attacks such as phishing, vishing, and smishing. Viruses, worms, trojans, and rootkits. Network-based attacks like MITM, DDoS, and DNS spoofing. Hands-on simulate a phishing attack using free online tools. Module 3. Cybersecurity fundamentals and best practices. Secure passwords and multi-factor authentication. Safe browsing habits and email security. The importance of regular software updates and patch management. Understanding firewalls, antivirus, and endpoint security. Hands-on set up a personal firewall and configure security settings. Module 4. Network security, basics of networking and TCP/IP protocols. Understanding firewalls and IDS/IPS, Wi-Fi security and encryption techniques, preventing unauthorized access to networks. Hands-on use Wireshark to analyze network traffic. Module 5. Ethical hacking and penetration testing. Introduction to ethical hacking and penetration testing methodologies. Footprinting and reconnaissance using OSINT techniques. Scanning and vulnerability assessment with Nmap and Nessus. Exploiting vulnerabilities and privilege escalation. Hands-on perform a vulnerability scan using Nmap. Module 6. Web application security. Common web security threats such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. We'll cover the OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. Secure coding practices and website hardening are essential. We'll also discuss web application firewalls, or WAFs, and for a hands-on experience, you'll perform SQL injection testing on a demo site. Module 7. Cloud security and data protection. We'll start with cloud security fundamentals for AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Then we'll dive into identity and access management, or IAM. Data encryption and privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA are crucial topics. We'll also cover cloud security best practices. For the hands-on portion, you'll enable multi-factor authentication and configure IAM roles in the AWS free tier. Module 8. Digital forensics and incident response. We'll begin with the basics of digital forensics and evidence collection. Then, we'll explore the incident response framework and risk management. Analyzing logs and detecting threats are key skills. We'll also introduce you to cybersecurity tools like Splunk, Autopsy, and FTK. For a hands-on activity, you'll perform log analysis using Splunk. Module 9. Cybersecurity frameworks and compliance. NIST ISO 27001, CIS controls, GDPR compliance, cybersecurity risk assessment and governance, security policies and incident handling procedures, and, hands-on, conduct a basic cybersecurity risk assessment. Module 10. Career in cybersecurity and next steps. So, let's talk about the cybersecurity certifications roadmap, which includes CEH, CISSP, and CompTIA Security Plus. We'll also cover building a cybersecurity portfolio and resume. There are numerous job opportunities and significant career growth in this field. And, hands-on, you'll create a cybersecurity resume and LinkedIn profile. Tools used in the course include Kali Linux, Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, Burp Suite, Splunk, and Nessus. Certification. A certificate of completion is available after you submit the final project. Interested?